Hello, welcome back to my channel Purna Educare. As you people know, my channel is dealing with UGC NET Paper 1 free coaching. So you will be getting all the updates regarding the UGC NET and as well as the syllabus pertaining to the UGC NET Paper 1. So in future we are going to post more videos. You can see my videos in the channel and you just subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for the more updates. So you may receive the content which is regarding to the UGC NET, and this syllabus is not only for the UGC NET as well as for the sets of the various universities from the various state governments. So and this syllabus is really useful for various competitive examinations as well. So please do watch our channel, click on the bell icon for the more updates. Moving to the main content of today's video, that is finding the odd ones out. So moving to the first question. Yes, kindly understand the question. Yeah. So what is the question? Try to understand the question, please. Yeah, you can see here. Pears, the pear, apple, lychee, guava, and orange. So which is really the odd one? Odd one in the sense, a kind of different one, different from many other. You can see here, you can see all the fruits here like pear, apple, lychee, guava, orange. But only we have in this citrus fruits and non-citrus fruits, isn't it? Citrus and non-citrus. Here we have pear, apple, lychee, guava are the non-citrus, whereas orange belongs to citrus family. Orange, lemon, isn't it? So all this comes under citrus family. So here the different one is orange. Orange is the odd one. So consider it as an odd one since it belongs to the citrus family, whereas remaining all other belongs to non-citrus, isn't it? Yes. Moving to the next question. So assassinate, kill, kidnap, stab, murder. So all this comes under. Assassinate is nothing but again killing itself, form of killing, kill, form of killing, stab, murder. All are the form of killing, but except kidnap. Kidnap doesn't mean that, kidnap is not form of killing. Not form of killing. So option, it is unique. Kidnap is the odd word. So kidnap is the right answer. Isn't it? Yes. Next. Shehnai, bagpipe, flute, sitar, harmonica. What are all these? All these are musical instruments, isn't it? So how can you find which is different? Which is different? Shehnai, have you heard any time the music of Shehnai? The Shehnai is a mouth blow, mouth blow instrument with a long trumpet, a trumpet like instrument. So generally used for blowing the music. Bagpipe, you all people know the bagpipe. Even bagpipe is an wind blowing instrument itself. Flute, flute is an wind blowing itself. Sitar, have you seen about the sitar? Sitar, guitar or not a wind blow. It is string blow. Are you understanding? Harmonica again. Harmonica you can see generally the heroes, many movies they will use this harmonica. Like it will give that tee, 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 tee. So what does it mean? Here all the instruments are classified, all the instruments like, see for example, Shehnai, bagpipe, flute, harmonica are the wind blows, wind blow instruments, isn't it? Whereas sitar is not the wind blow, it is string, it is used with the string. It will be used for the strings, not the blow. We are not supposed to blow. We will be playing using the strings. So here sitar is an odd one, isn't it? Sitar is an odd one. Yes. Next. Football, volleyball, cricket, chess, hockey. So you can find all these are the outdoor games, isn't it? Outdoor. Except chess. So chess is an odd one, isn't it? Yes? Yeah. You can see very easy questions, Yeah, cool. Find out the odd word from the following set of words. Lima, Algiers, New York, Tokyo, Beijing. Where were you heard all this, where were all these things? So, go for it. Yeah, you can see, Lima, Algiers, New York, Tokyo, Beijing. Have you heard any time about the Beijing? Yes, Beijing, capital city of China, isn't it? Capital city of China. Tokyo, capital city of Japan, isn't it? Whereas Algiers, capital city of Algeria. Are you understanding? Lima, it is the capital city of Peru. So what are you understanding? All these are the capital cities, whereas New York is not the capital city, it is a state. So it is the odd one. It is a different from. Are you understanding? Yes. Potassium, silicon, zirconium, gallium, germanium. Hey, people from chemistry background, you need to answer this question. Which is really the different one? So, different from their usage. Clue, it is usage. So you can see silicon, zirconium, gallium, germanium can be used in the semiconductors, isn't it? Semiconductors, it can be used. So, potassium cannot be used. Potassium will not be used in the semiconductors. So, option A is the right answer. It is the different, odd one. Are you understanding? Yes. Find out the odd word from the following set of words. Curd, butter, cheese, cream, oil. So, which was one? So, why common is this? All these are the products of milk. Products of milk. So, oil is not the product of milk. So, option C is the right answer. Oil is the odd one. Are you understanding? See, find out the odd words. Odd words here, since oil is odd one, since all these are the products of the milk, isn't it? Yes. Yeah. Find out the odd word. Tortoise, duck, wheel, crow, snake. Do you know tortoise? A slow moving organism. Yes. Duck. So, have you seen the duck? Yes. Long beak. Whale, which is in the water. Yes. Crow, which gives a cow, cow. It will give that kind of sound. Snake. So what do you know? What in which what are in what way it is totally different. One is odd. What is it odd? Think for it. Tortoise, duck, whale, crow, snake. Yes. See, do you know tortoise, wait a minute, tortoise lays egg, yes, duck lays eggs, whale, no, crow, yes, snake, yes. So here, all the animals or whatever it may be, birds, birds, so we can go. These are lays eggs, but whale do not lay an egg. Are you understanding? Whale. Whale do not lay the egg. So whale is the odd one. Are you understanding? Yes. Feathers, tentacles, scales, pseudopodium, flagella. See, have you heard any time about these words? Tentacles, scales, pseudopodia, flagella. Have you heard anywhere? So, possible that you might have heard this is in any kind of living organisms, a movement structures in living organisms. So, have you heard? Yes. So, tentacles are also used for the movement. Scales can be used. Pseudopodium, especially in amoeba, flagella, yes. So, but except fetus. Fetus do not use for the movements. No. Fetus for the birds generally. So, it is not for the movement. So, fetus is a odd one. It is an odd one. Are you understanding? Yes. Next. Sleet, fog, hailstone, vapor, mist. What does it mean? Yes? Yeah, just find out the odd word from the following sets. So, you may get the concept of sleet. Have you heard of sleet? Sleet, fog, hailstone, mist. So, normally, have you heard about precipitation? So, precipitation is a process of, chemical, some kind of chemical reactions happens in which solid substance separates from liquid. So, in precipitation generally, the sleet happens, the fog comes, hailstone. Hailstones is nothing but a small part of ice coming from, in the form of the rain from the sky. So, vapor is not the precipitation process. Again, mist is a precipitation process. So, vapor is the odd one. It is a odd one. Yeah, precipitation. Yes. Next. Biscuits, wow, favorite. Biscuits, chocolate, cake, bread, pastry. Which one is odd? On what basis you will find one odd one? Yes. So, if you observe, chocolate, cake, bread, pastry. No. Biscuits, cake, bread, pastry are the baked items. Isn't it? Baked items. Whereas chocolate is not the baked item. Isn't it? So, chocolate is the odd one. Raid, attack, assault, ambush, defense. See, raid, attack, assault and if all are leading to a kind of attack, isn't it? Whereas defense is the odd one. Defense is against attack. So it is the odd one. Find out the odd one from ant, bee, moth, midge. No. So if you observe, all these consist of 4 legs. Isn't it? Whereas spider consists of 8 legs. So this do not belong to. Now the spider is odd one. Isn't it? Yes. Next. Violet, blue, green, white, yellow. If you observe, you will find these colors in rainbow. Isn't it? You don't find the white in the rainbow. Isn't it? You don't find white in the rainbow. It is an odd one. Are you understanding? Option D is the odd one. Actor, artist, musician, dancer. So, poet. So, what do you find here? You don't find this guy on the stage, isn't it? So, don't perform on stage. Remaining all will be performing in the stages. Isn't it? So, poet is the odd one. Isn't it? Next. Engineer, architect, mechanic, mason, blacksmith. What do you find? Engineer, architect, mason, blacksmith, part of construction. Isn't it? Construction. Whereas, mechanic is not the part of, construction. It is an odd one. Asia, Argentina, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. See, Antarctica, Australia, Africa, Asia are the continents. Isn't it? Whereas Argentina is an odd one. No. Shoulder, foot, elbow, arm, all these things. So, if you observe, all these are the parts of hand. Isn't it? Except foot. Isn't it? Yes? So, foot is a odd one. I hope you understood. You can just go for zebra, lion, tiger, horse, giraffe. Horse, odd one. Since It is a domestic